Hey everybody, Joker's here from Players Wanted, and we're here to give you our highlights from Airsoft Palooza 2019 in Houston, Texas. We had the great opportunity to go up against Jet Desert Fox, Airsoft Alphons, and Asian with Hat. Finch, Gabe, and myself actually decided to switch teams so we could test our skills up against these great YouTubers. We had two different cameras running, Joker's cam and Miles' cam, and as you can see, we had a great time playing at High Ground. We wanted to thank the staff of High Ground and Airsoft Palooza for putting on such a great event. Without further ado, here's the video.
Yeah, I think I got him.
What?
Watch out.
What?
My bad. There's one more behind the green. Bang bang. I bang banged you, man. I bang banged you. I went like that and said bang bang.
What?
Are you dead?
No.
Well, you are now.
Oh, shit. I guess I'll take it. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
That's okay. Sorry, man. Sorry. He didn't get me. He didn't get me, though.
I didn't get you.
No. I'm on the right side, right side.
What? 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 What?
I have plenty of ammo.
Good shot.
Oh shit! Wrong way. Red, red. Sorry. Sorry, man. You're hit? You're dead.